If you're tired of seeing the dreaded snap error when browsing in Google Chrome on your PC, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know simple step-by-step solutions you can apply to not only get Chrome working again, but to help prevent this error from appearing in the future. Let's get started right away with the quickest fixes first. The very first thing you should do is simply reload the page. You can do this by clicking the reload icon. It looks like a little spinning arrow up there at the top of your browser. Or for some keyboard speed, just press Ctrl+R. Often these snap errors are caused by a quick hiccup in loading the page. Maybe your internet connection dipped for a moment, or the site's server had a blink. Don't worry if the problem disappears after a reload. That just means it was a temporary glitch, and your browser's working as it should. Now, if reloading doesn't work, let's check something a bit more technical. Chrome running out of memory. This can happen if you have lots of tabs or apps open, especially on older computers or ones with limited RAM. Go ahead and close any tabs you're not actively using, and quit programs or background apps taking up memory. After you've trimmed things down, try reloading the problem page again. Imagine your computer is juggling too many balls. Sometimes it just needs to set a few down before it can manage the one you want. If you're still seeing the error, let's jump into clearing Chrome's cache. Start by typing Chrome settings/clear browser data in your address bar and hit enter. Here, make sure you check both cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. These files are stored to help pages load faster, but sometimes they can become corrupted or outdated, causing Chrome to hiccup. Click Clear Data, then close and reopen Chrome to give it a fresh start. Like clearing crumbs off the countertop, it helps everything run more smoothly. Another common cause is a troublesome extension. Extensions are super useful, but sometimes they conflict with sites or even break Chrome itself. Go to Chrome/extensions and turn off all extensions. After you've done this, try loading the page again. If it works now, great. That means one of your extensions was behind the trouble. You can turn them back on one by one to find the culprit. Don't worry if this takes a minute. Finding the source is just part of the process. Next, make sure your Chrome browser is running the latest version. Updates not only bring new features, but they squash bugs and patch vulnerabilities that might cause errors. Go to Chrome or Settings, Help, and Chrome will check for updates automatically. If one's available, let it install, then relaunch Chrome. It's kind of like tuning up your car. Updates keep everything running smoothly. If the error persists, try resetting Chrome's settings. Head over to Chrome/Settings Reset and look for Restore Settings to their original defaults. Confirm your choice. Resetting removes any odd settings changes or hidden conflicts that might be tripping Chrome up. But don't worry, your bookmarks and passwords usually stay safe. Let's also make sure your browser is clean from any malware. Chrome has a built-in tool for this. Just go to Chrome, Settings, Cleanup, and click Find. If Chrome finds anything suspicious, follow the prompts to remove it. Malware can cause all sorts of strange errors, so this is an important step. If you're still stuck, let's look at your PC's stability. Press Windows+R to open the Run dialog. Type CMD. Then, in the command prompt, enter SFC scan no. This command will scan for any corrupted system files that could crash Chrome or other apps. Think of it as a health checkup for your computer. Let it run, even if it takes a few minutes. And finally, if none of these fixes have worked, it might be time for a clean slate. Uninstall Chrome by typing appwizcpl in the Run dialog and removing Google Chrome. Then, grab the latest version from google.com Chrome and reinstall it. After reinstalling, sign back into your Google account. And all your bookmarks and extensions will sync up again so you won't lose anything. That's it. Most snap errors are solved by clearing cache, disabling extensions, or updating Chrome. But now you have the full toolkit to take on any issue. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. I do read them. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials right here. Thanks for watching.